Hey y'all, it's Tech Baby, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a thumbnail using Canva the easy way. Let's get into it. Alright y'all, so we are inside of Canva. Canva is basically a platform that allows you to create designs, graphics, thumbnails, logos, profile pictures, whatever. It's great. I love it. There's a free version and then there's a pro version that you pay for. I'm going to show you how to use the free version where you don't have to come off no coins, but if you want to, it's up to you. I just want to show you the simple way, because something that I noticed about when people are trying to do something, if it's something you're trying to do and you feel like you can't do it, you will literally talk yourself out of doing that thing because of something simple like a thumbnail, not being able to do that, or not being able to create your channel art, your YouTube channel art, or anything like that. So I'm going to show you how to do it the easy way so that you can create you a simple thumbnail and use it for your videos and get your YouTube channel up and running. Okay. All right, so we're inside of Canva. This is the home page. As you can see right here, I have YouTube thumbnail as an option, but just in case you don't see that, you can type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar, click enter. And now we have all type of YouTube thumbnail designs. Now, y'all, this is what we're going to do. We're not going to make this hard. We are not making this from scratch. We're going to use what Canva offers us and we're going to tweak it to make it like ours. That's it. That's all. We're going to tweak it and make it like ours. So basically, Canva allows creators, graphic designers to upload their art to Canva for people like me and you to use. So now if you look, you have a little crown in the bottom right corner, and if you hover your mouse over it, it says Pro. Pro means that is the pro version. It's the paid graphic. So we want to look for ones that don't have it. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to just scroll through here. I wish I had did this live so I could be like, which one y'all want to do? Which one y'all want to do? All right, we're going to scroll through here and look for the ones that don't have the little crown on it, because like I said, we want to find us a free 99 one. All right, and so let's see what we see. Let's see what we see. Let me click show more. All right, y'all, so I like this one. I think it's cute, it's colorful, it's popping. So we're going to click on this one and go with this one. Now, we're at this screen and we want to click customize this template because like I said, we're about to make it ours. We're about to make it ours. Okay, so before we even get started, I want to go over these items over here in the left hand corner real quick. So you have design, which is basically where you can click and look through all of the designs, kind of like we just did on the home page. In case you don't like this one, you can click over here and go through the other designs and select them and work out of one of those. So it's just another way to view the designs again. All right, then we have elements. Elements are just objects to add inside of your thumbnail, like a circle, a square, a heart, a star, anything. You can use that, go through and see what all elements that Canva already have, and you can import them into your thumbnail as well. Text is plain and simple. It is what it says. It's text. Basically, whatever type of text you want to add. Canva has a lot of fonts and different text designs, which I do like. They look really good and really nice. And then you have brand. Brand is actually the pro version of Canva, but I'm going to still let you know what it is just because why not? All right, so brand is basically your brand, your colors, your logo, so that whenever you start creating designs, your brand colors will automatically be in the color palette of each design. So you won't have to go search for the colors every time and import them or select them or add them into the palette every time. They'll automatically be there just based off of what your brand colors are. You have uploads. Uploads is basically what you upload into Canva from your computer. So say if you have your own images, you have your own videos, your own audio, you can upload it straight into Canva from your computer right here in the upload section. All right, and then you have draw. Draw just allows you to be able to draw on here if you wanted to. If you wanted to treat it like it's a whiteboard, if you just wanted to draw, you can use that. I don't ever use draw, but I'm sure it's beneficial for people that like to. All right, now we have projects. Projects allow you to be able to basically take all of your Canva designs and drop them into a folder. And if you want to, you can invite a team of people or a collab with people that can actually work on these designs with you or edit them or whatever they want to do to the designs. I think that projects is great for just keeping things organized throughout Canva based off of what you're working on, especially if you do a lot of graphic design work. All right, now you have apps, and some of these towards the bottom are new. You have apps, is basically allows you to add different features and functionalities into the design as well. Then you have Magic Media. So Magic Media is like magic. So AI. So like if it's something that you don't see or a picture that you're not able to find, you can come in here and you can type what it is that you would like for Canva to magically create for you, AI, and then you'll get the result based off of whatever you type. So make sure your keywords are on point based off what it is that you want, right? So make sure if you want a girl with red hair, blue eyes, big, pretty, bright smile, make sure you say exactly what it is that you want so the picture can be as close to what you want as possible. Then you have photos. Canva already have photos, so you can click on here and go through here and see what they have in here that you could use. You have color mix, kind of like a way to add effects to images, so you could use that a little bit. Some of these I haven't used and don't use, but I just wanted to show y'all. And then you have reimagine. So what you can do is upload an image and then you can let Canva generate it and put it into this art type of format that you see right here. So I just wanted to show you guys the little panel on the left that will be beneficial for you when you are creating your design. All right, so let's get into our thumbnail. So now we don't want her picture. She's not you, she's not me. We don't want her picture, so we want to get us another picture. Just in case, I'm just saying, if you're doing a thumbnail 9 times out of 10, you're gonna have an image of you or an image of somebody that you want it to be. All right, so we're just gonna select the image, and it's simple. Canva is basically like drag, drop, and click. Like you don't have to be a big graphic designer to do this. And that's why I'm showing you this, because like I said, people will talk themselves out of doing something because they don't know how to do it. But let me just show you this. So we're gonna click on here. And when you click on objects inside of the thumbnail, you get this little window right up in here. And this allows you to either add a comment. Like I said, if you're working with a team of people or if you invite people, you can add comments to the design to let them know maybe what you did, what you changed. Here is where you can lock the image up. Basically, if you lock it, it doesn't move. And then you have duplicate, which allows you to duplicate the image or the object. And then you have delete, and delete lets you delete it. And if you click on these 3 dots, you get a couple more options as well. So you can just look through those and see what it might be beneficial for you. We're going to keep this simple. We are not going to complicate this one. So what we're going to do is, let me go over these up here at the top. So as you can see, when you click on an item or object inside of the thumbnail, you get this little different bar up here at the top. So for the images, we're going to get this bar, which allows you, if you click edit allows you to be able to go through and maybe change the filters. You can add these outlines to the images. I like to do those a lot, and I'll show you that because I'm going to outline our next image. And then you have effects, and then you have some of the app options as well up under edit as well. If you click adjust, it shows you how you can kind of change the brightness, the contrast, the highlights, all of that. I just wanted to show you guys that option just in case you might want to use it. And then we have background remover. This is the pro version. This allows you to remove the background. This is one of the things that I truly love about the pro version that I use all the time. And then you have the border style, you have the corner rounding, you have crop, flip, transparency, and then animate, and then position. So what we're going to do, like I said, we clicked her image. We're going to click delete because we don't want her image. Okay. So now over here on the uploads, upload is where you add your own image. So if you was to click upload file, You could select the image out of your computer if you wanted to. I already have images in Canva, so I'm just going to use one of my images that I already have in here. And as you can see, when you click on it, it automatically puts the image in the project. If you drag the image by the border, you can resize it like this. So now I'm going to take it and kind of make it about this size. But one thing that I do want to do is use the background remover. I know I did say we were going to keep this simple. You do not have to do this. You could simply take it and crop it out like this if you wanted to, but I just want to use the background remover to show you how it works and what it looks like, just in case you do get the paid version. All right, so I'm gonna click background remover and let Canva do its thing, work its magic. And as you can see, the background is gone. And now what I want to do is kind of turn it a little bit like this, and then I'm going to kind of make it a little bit bigger and just kind of move it like that to get it how I like it. And now I want to add an outline to it like she had on her. So I'm gonna click edit up here in the top left, right here on the top of our bar up here at the top, and I'm going to go to shadows, and from there I'm going to click on outline. I'm gonna scroll down after clicking on outline, and I want to change the outline color. I think I want mine to be white. So I'm gonna change the color. So all you do is basically click on this little color circle and change it to the color you like. And then this size bar allows you to choose how thick or thin the outline will be. All right, so we're gonna kind of bring it down a little bit. Now, if I click outside of the image, I don't like that. There you go. I was about to say, where the rest of the outline go? All right, so boom, there go our outline. And you can, like I said, it's white. You can make it whatever color you like, but that's our outline, that's our image, and I like that. I'm gonna go with that. So now we're going to change the text, right? So now I'm gonna change my text. This says this video got 1 million views in 2 weeks. So I don't want mine to say that. I want mine to say something else, so we're gonna change that. So what you do is double click inside of the text box, and it's gonna highlight the text. If it doesn't, you just take your mouse and you highlight the text yourself and you delete what's there. And I'm just gonna put watch this right here. I'm gonna just say watch this. And if you wanted to resize it, you could up here at the top. So now remember I told you whatever you click on, you get a bar at the top, right? So up here we have the font. So if you wanted to change the font, you could change it to a different font. This is the size. This is the color, and these are like if you wanted to do bold, italic. This is the alignment. This is the list if you wanted to make it into a bullet list. This is spacing, and then this is transparency. And then you have some other options here. If you click the 3 dots, you have underline, strike through, uppercase, effects, animation, and position. All right, so I want to put watch this, and now if you drag it, you can slide it over. So I'm gonna put it kind of right there in the middle. And if you wanted to reshape this, resize this rectangle, you can select it and then just pull it in. Just pull it in. So I'm gonna say watch this, and then for here, I'm gonna say video. Watch this video, and then I want to take it and drag it to the middle, and then I'm gonna make this rectangle a little bit smaller. And then on this one, I'm gonna say for love. Now, remember, your thumbnails are supposed to be catchy, so try to make it as catchy as possible. I'm just showing you how to go about putting the text in there, but you do want to make sure that it has something that'll make your audience click when they are scrolling through YouTube. So now, what if I didn't want to do this purple? Let's say I didn't want this purple background for my rectangle. So I'm gonna select the rectangle, and now you see I got a new bar up here at the top. I'm gonna select here, and I think I'm going to change it to this light blue. I like it. All right, and I don't like this yellow, so I'm gonna select it, and I'm gonna go over here, and I think I'm gonna change it to, let's see, green. Now, I think I also want to change the color of this video text. So I'm gonna select it, and then I'm gonna highlight the whole, I'm gonna select the whole word, and then I'm gonna click up here for text color. And I think I'm gonna make it the purple color that's on the background. Yeah, I like that. All right, and so now I'm gonna change this rectangle, select the color up here, wheel at the top, and I'm gonna go with blue for this one as well. Now we're going to resize that one. We're gonna pull it in maybe about that much. All right, so that's that. Watch this video for love. Do we want to change our little colors to our sparkles back there? I think I want to add some white. So I just basically highlighted. If you come out of the text, you can click right here, which will show you the colors of those sparkles down there. So I'm going to click. I think I like the pink, but I don't like the orange. I'm gonna select the orange and do white. I liked it. I liked it. What about these stars, y'all? What y'all think? I think I want to make them white too. I'm not feeling these orange colors. So let's see. It might be too much white. Let's see. Let's select. So as you can see, when I selected white for that, I don't know if that maybe gave it like a white tint on the outskirts, but I'm going to select this one and do white. Let's probably go with the green to match that color over here. Yeah, I liked it. I like that. Okay, watch this video for love. Now, let's say we do want to add an element, a heart. We're going to add a heart, right? So we go over here to elements, like I showed you earlier. We're going to search heart. And as you can see, there are a lot of hearts with the crown. Remember, that's the paid one. We want to go with the free one. So we're going to select this one. And here's our heart. It added it to our image. And we are going to make it, what color, y'all? I don't know why I keep wanting to do white today. Let's do this pink color. Let's do this pink color. We're going to make it pink. And then we're going to kind of bring it down, make it a little bit smaller. And then we're going to choose this option right here with these little arrows that are pointing. That allows you to basically turn the object. And we're going to turn it. And I can't see it right there. So I might just add it like right up here at the top. Something simple. Nothing too much, not too much. Just add it in there right there at the top. Okay, watch this video for love. That's it. Simple, it's catchy, it's bright, it's pretty. I like it. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically how you would make a simple thumbnail the easy, simple way in Canva. You take what's already there and you tweak it and you make it yours. Now, the way you get this into YouTube is you click share up here at the top right corner. Click that share button. Then you're going to click this download button right here. And you see right here you have different file types. We want to make sure it is a PNG file type. And then you just click download. Once it's downloaded, it should be on your computer, ready for you to upload and use in YouTube for your thumbnail. Well, y'all, that is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope it was helpful and beneficial to you in some type of way. So feel free to leave a comment below and let me know if you actually tried it. What happened? Did it work? Did it not work? And I know with technology, it can get irritating and frustrating and you probably ready to pull your hair out. But just know that you can do it if you try and if you practice and if you be consistent and just keep trying it. Just keep trying it, and before you know it, you will actually master it and you will be like, dang, I really am good at this. I really can do this. Okay, so just know that I believe in you. You can do it. Take a break if you need to, but get right back in there and try it and keep trying it. Just don't give up. Whatever you do, just don't give up. Okay, so remember, until next time, do not stress, because with Tech Baby, you will become the best. I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay, bye.